Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert an image inside a cell in Google Sheet. It's really simple and easy. So if you drag an image and drop it in Google Sheet, it can't work. Or if you copy it, so let's copy for example this one, and then if you paste it here, as you can see, it's not inside a cell. We want an image inside this cell, for example. So to do that, let's click on the cell you want, for example this one, then go to this insert, then go for this image and choose this one, insert image in cell. Then simply select your image, then click on this browse here and select your image and click on this open. And now you can see the image is inside the cell. You can't move it, as you can see here. You can resize the cell if you want, as you can see, but you cannot move this picture now. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to insert an image inside a cell in Google Sheet. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.